Well, hello again everyone. I have bought myself some new motorcycle clothing. Now this is my current motorcycle jacket. I got it off eBay way back when I had the Super Soco electric motorbike, and it wasn't that expensive and it seems pretty good. It's got the back armour, it's got the elbow armour, the shoulder armour, and it's quite a tough material, but it's showing its age a little bit. It's a little bit tatty, but the main problem is it's very warm in this hot weather we're having. It has got a thermal liner which I've taken out, so I haven't got the thermal liner, but it's still very warm. So I thought I'd have a look around, see what was about that still give me a bit of protection but was a little bit cooler to wear in this really warm weather. So a while ago I got these motorcycle jeans and I'm quite fond of them. They fit quite nicely and they hold the sort of knee pads and the hip pads in the right place, don't let them all sort of wobble about like the other pair I've got to. And they're made by Roadskin. So I thought I'd have a look and see what Roadskin did in terms of lighter weight jackets. Now this video isn't sponsored by Roadskin, they haven't provided me with anything to review it or anything like that. I just thought it might be useful. I'm a beginner motorcyclist really. I've only done the CBT, still got my old plates, but I've been pottering around for over a year or so, and I think it's nice to see what other people get on with, because I didn't really know what to buy in terms of jackets and stuff. I just looked on eBay to get that other one, and to be honest, it's been okay, but it's probably not the best thing really. So what I went for is the Roadskin Easyrider II motorcycle hoodie. And this is what they've sent me. It comes in this nice bag. My jeans came in this sort of bag as well. And to be honest, the bag's made pretty nicely. I've used mine a few times to put things in. I think I used it once to go swimming. So yeah, it's a fantastic bag really, just to start off with. So what have we got in the bag? Well, first thing that come out is some of the armour, and I'm guessing these are either the elbow pads or the shoulder pads. Not sure which. They're not marked up, so I'm going to have to work that out. Yeah, these ones are different, so yeah, I'm thinking these are probably shoulders and they're elbows. Don't know. This is obviously the back protector. Got some paperwork. And I guess the hoodie itself in a nice cellophane wrapper. So let's get that wrapper off. Got a little leaflet here. To do with the armour, so maybe that tells me what's what. No, I don't think it does really. There's a nice label there. That doesn't really tell me either. Maybe it's obvious. Righto, well this is obviously where the back protector goes, so let's start with that. Velcro's got a good grip, and I'm guessing it goes that way. Maybe you put it in top end first. We'll sort of roll it up a bit to get it in. No, that's not, that's not working, is it? My last jacket came with the armour already in it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, to be honest. Maybe it's just tough. Yeah, I think just a bit of persistence needed. But at least it's secure. Right, let's have a look at the sleeves. I think that zip is just to remove the hood. So yeah, we've got another Velcro pocket here. I don't honestly know, you know. Maybe that is the shoulder. Yeah, and I think that's the elbow, isn't it? Let's go with that. Right, let's try and get this in. Do the other side. I'm guessing we have to turn the sleeves inside out to put the elbows in. Oh, now hold on, look, these are quite long, thin. I'm thinking I may have got this wrong. Yeah, maybe these longer ones go in there. Yeah, I think so, because that's why they've got those notches in, so allow your elbow to bend, don't they? What an idiot. If you're watching this thinking, what an idiot, just remember, I've not done this before. Oh yeah, that seems a lot more snug. Right, so let's put a shoulder one in here. So that's going to go, well, I assume it goes up so the bloke on the bike is the right way up, wouldn't you? Let's try it. Turn this back right way round. Now they mention these wind cuffs in the sort of blurb on the website. It's supposed to stop your sleeve riding up if you have an accident or the wind blowing up it. So I guess we'll see how we got on with the wind blowing up my sleeves. Right, let's put the other side right after mucking it up. Hands up everyone who was shouting at me when I was putting them in the wrong ones, knowing I was doing it wrong. Fantastic. Right, let's try it on. Ah, see what I mean? You put your thumbs through these little loops. That's a good idea. Yep, I'm liking that. Oh look, I found a user information pamphlet. Now there is a section in here about the impact protectors and it tells you to put them the right way around and such, but there's no helpful pictures which tell you what's for what. You're supposed to be bright enough to work that out for yourself. Sorry folks. Well, now I'm confident that it fits me, and it does seem to fit me very nicely. I'm going to remove the tag. Now Roadskin do give you a handy returns form that if you have ordered the wrong size, you can fill it in and send it back. And they do tell you that you can keep the armour if you're going to exchange it for a different size. Obviously if you go for a refund, you need to send them the armour back. Well, I'm pretty pleased with this so far. I can't wait to take it out on the bike and try it and see if I stay a little bit cooler than I do in that heavy eBay jacket I've got.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up.
So I've been wearing this hoodie from Roadskin to ride backwards and forwards to work for 2 or 3 weeks now. And it's been some of the hottest weather that we've had this summer. Temperatures well over 30 degrees, and although it's not really sort of lightweight and cool, it is much cooler than the heavy sort of jacket I was wearing before that I'd got from eBay. It's also got a bit of a waterproof layer in it. I have ridden through some light showers and it has in fact kept me dry. So yeah, I think it's probably more suited to a normal sort of British summer, sort of temperatures in the sort of mid-20s than the mid-30s, but definitely a nice summer hoodie for the sort of riding I do. You can get to work and you're not sort of super hot and sweaty and stuff. And yeah, I'm very pleased with it. So yeah, I'd recommend this to anyone who's looking for a lighter weight motorcycle hoodie, in my opinion. As I said previously, I'm not sponsored or anything, but I will put a link down below where you can buy this hoodie, should you wish to do so.
Always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some